Hi everyone, welcome to this Twinmotion tips and tricks video. Today we'll be looking at how to override the max intensity of light. So first off, let's drag one of the spotlight into my scene over here. Going to duplicate this spotlight 2 times, so we have our 3 light over here. If I open the scene organizer, as you can see by this color over here, those 3 lights are in instance. That means that if I change the intensity of one of the lights, it will affect the 3 different lights. So by default, as you can see here, the max intensity of this slider is 10,000 lumen, which is supposed to mimic the real value of those kind of light. But in Twinmotion, you can override this value by manually typing up to 1 million. To do that, you just click on this area over here where it's written 10,000, and you can manually type the value you want. For example, 100,000. And that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to follow us for more content, and see you for the next one. Bye everyone!